Hey guys, it's Kayla or Kay the Enchantress. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel once again. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I do my individual lashes, which I just finished this video. I did my best to kind of show you guys exactly what I do. If you do want something more in depth, then make sure to put that down in the comment section below. But yeah, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so let's get right into it. So I just already took off the cluster from like the sticky pad that it's on, and I'm just putting it in my, what are they called? Jesus Christ. Tweezers, there we go. Taking my tweezers and picking it up and just getting a little bit of glue on it, making sure not to get glue on the back side. And then after that, what I like to do is either blow on it, depends on you, or use a little small fan like that just to make sure that the glue gets tacky enough to use. The majority of the rest of the video is going to be really self-explanatory because you're literally just repeating the process. And what I like to do is take my finger and kind of pull up on my upper eyelid just so I can see underneath my lash line. And then I just place that right underneath, and then what I like to do is push it up into the lash line just to make sure that it's connected to the lash or the lash line, so that it doesn't like slip and fall out of the way. But yeah, I'm just going to continue to do this process over and over until I finish that entire eye, and that'll be it. I'll come back if I have something else to say. guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope that it was informative and that it helped you guys. I know it's not the easiest thing when you're first starting out, but the more that you do it and the more that you practice, the better and easier it gets to be. Again, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, just put them down in the comment section below, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe as always. All right, I'll see you guys later.